Hello everyone, welcome back. Another day, another workout. One dumbbell, 25 kg. You should be familiar with this. We're gonna work on thighs, hamstrings, a little bit of quads, a little bit of glutes. Take a deep breath. Exhale. Let's get started. Let's do a quick warm up. Open your legs wider from here. Left leg, start to bend it outside. Go all over down. Feel that stretch in the right hamstring right now. Switch. Exhale. 3, 2, 1. Up from here. Open your legs wider. Let's do sumo squat down. Breathe. 3, 2, 1. From here, rotation towards the right side. Switch. Left. And up. Okay. Good one. Left knee towards your chest. Switch. Right knee towards your chest. And release. Okay. The first one, what we're gonna do? We're gonna squat much wider. Keep your legs even wider. We're gonna squat all over, pushing your knees towards the side. And then right after that, we're gonna drive our hip backwards towards the ground. So the first move, we're gonna squat 12, then we're gonna drive our hip 12. Here we go. Take a deep breath. Exhale. I'll do a little bit from the side, you can see. Here we go. 12 and 2. Nice. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Then hip drive backwards. And 2. Nice. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Squeeze forward. 9, 10. 2 more. 11, 12. And down. Take a deep breath. Then right away we go to RDLs. Let's work. 2, 12. 3, nice. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2 more. 11, 12. Release. Nice. Really good, really efficient exercise. Hitting your hamstrings, thighs, a little bit of butt, which we need. We're gonna do 2 more rounds of this. 12 each exercise, not bad. Take a deep breath. Exhale. Here we go. Round 2. Please, I'm mentioning you again, if you doesn't have so heavy dumbbell, that's okay. Do with what you have. Or if you use so heavy weights, please make sure you're pushing with your knees outside and just squat comfortably. What's up, boy? Okay, let's work. 12. Grab. Let's squat. 2. Nice. 3, 4. Go ahead. 5, 6. Nice. 7, 8, 9, 10. 2 more. 11, 12. Straight into hip back hamstrings. And 2, 3. Nice. 4, 5. Go ahead. 6, 7. Nice. 8, 9, 10. 2 more. 11, 12. And down. Awesome. Take a deep breath. Exhale. Okay. Let's do RDLs. 12 and 2. Nice. 3. Go ahead. 4. Push. 5, 6. Nice. 7, 8, 9, 10, 2 more, 11, 12, and down. Awesome. Take a deep breath. Exhale. Few more. Exhale. Awesome. Again, I'm reminding you, please make sure you are having good warm up. If you are stiff, if you have injuries or something like that, keep in mind that you need to stay in the game as long as possible. So for that, you need to be without injuries, as I try to do. Here we go. Take a deep breath. Round 3. 12. Don't forget, first we're gonna squat down, second, drive your hip backwards, feel your hamstrings. Here we go, 12. Let's work. 2, nice. 3, go ahead. 4, push. 5, nice. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 2 more, 11, 12, and back. 2, nice. 3, 4, 5, squeeze. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and down. Awesome. Take a deep breath. Exhale. Good job. Let's finish the third set with RDLs. Here we go. 12. 2, nice. 3, go ahead. 4, push. 5, 6, nice. 7, 8, 9, 10, 2 more. 11, 12. Nice. Good job. Then we did do this. Finish. Then what we're gonna do next for our quads, lower back, we're gonna do Nordic lunge. But before that, just sit, feel the stretch between your legs, quads. Take a deep breath. Exhale. Okay, get ready. Drive your hip forward, engage your core, lower back. Make sure everything is tight. Place your arms closer to your chest and drive backwards. 2. We're gonna do 12 free sets. 3, 4. Every time go lower and lower. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Take a deep breath. We go to down dog. We rest in down dog. We continue 2 more sets. Breathe. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Back again. Knees on the ground. Drive your hip forward. Take a deep breath. Arms towards your chest. Exhale. Drive. 12. And 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 2 more, 11, 12. Take a deep breath. Down dog, exhale, breathe. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Knees on the ground. Take a deep breath. Hips forward. 1 more deep breath. Let's work. 12. Exhale. And 2. Nice. 3, go ahead, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 2 more, 11, 12. Release, take a deep breath. Exhale. Let's finish with quick mobility. Open your legs into frog or butterfly, whatever people call it. Place your elbows on the ground, take a deep breath. From here, try to move your head backward and forward. 2, now just move. 3, go ahead. 4, 5, nice. 10 times. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Try to move as back as possible. Hold. If you can, straight arms in front. Place your chest on the ground and breathe. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, elbows on the ground. Take a deep breath. Keep your hips in the middle. From here, we're going to need to elevate, rotate your left hip up from your left side. Try to work more, feel your muscles. And then you switch, bring it back and then switch, right, 2. Go ahead slowly, 3, 4, 5, nice. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Back again, hip towards the back side. Arms in front, fall forward. Hold 3, 2, 1, and back up. If you want to enjoy even more of this kind of stretch, you can take your time and do it. I will not waste your time. Deep inhale. Exhale. Let's finish with quick twist. Grab knees towards your chest. Push forward. Right arm pushing your left knee. Take a deep breath. Exhale and twist. Then you switch. Nice. Okay, done. Quick, efficient. Take it for you. Practice, find time for your body. Wish you all the best. Peace.